Hi everyone. Today we are gonna learn how to multiply polynomials. Don't worry, it might sound complicated, but it's actually simple and it's a few steps and you actually know what you're actually doing when you're solving it. So first, what's polynomials? Polynomials is an expression made up of numbers, variables like x and exponent added or subtracted to them together. An example like this you're seeing here, 2x plus 3 or x squared plus 5x plus 6. When we are multiplying when we multiply polynomials, we are taking two of this expression and combining them to make one new polynomial. The main rule is simple. Multiply every term in the first polynomial by every term in the second polynomial and then combine like terms at the end. So think of it like this. If you have two groups of things and you want to pair each thing together, the first group of everything the first group of the things with everything in the second group will come together. Okay? So we can use a virtual trick called the area method, where we draw a little box to keep track of all the products, okay? But first, let's try it step by step with a simple example. So we have x plus 2 in parentheses and another parentheses x plus 3. So now let's multiply, okay? It's basically distribution, okay? So step one, we multiply each term in the first parentheses by each term in the second parentheses, okay? So we now have x, x times x. X times x is equals x squared because we have invisible variables that's 1, okay? I mean, not invisible variable, I mean invisible exponent. So invisible exponent, so just gonna add each other. So that'll be basically 1 plus 1 equals 2, okay? So now we now have x times 3 equals 3x. Then we now have 2 times x equals 2x. Then we have 2 times 3 that equals 6. Okay? So now we're gonna bring these these numbers to down, okay? So we're not gonna do x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. Okay, now we're gonna combine like terms, okay? So we're also gonna make it in standard form, okay? So that's x squared plus 3x plus 2x, that will just give us 5x plus 6. So now this is now our new polynomial is easy, right? It's literally just easy, okay? So also one thing, this isn't a standard form, okay? This isn't a standard form, okay? So like this one here, this is not a standard form. Never a standard form. This is a standard form, okay? Keep that in your head so you always know it when you're solving math or any other thing, okay? So now let's do another example. For this one, let's do another example. So it's going to be a little bit harder, a slightly bigger one. So not the 3 x parentheses x plus 2, then parentheses x squared plus 3x plus 1. So now we are gonna multiply every term in the first polynomial by every term in the second polynomial. So we're gonna do the same method, the area method. So we're gonna do x times x squared. So this time is gonna be 2 plus 1, that's x parentheses 3, so that'll be x cubed. So x times 3x, that'll be equals 3x squared x times 1, that's equals 1, and that's equals x. So then we have 2 times x squared equals 2x squared. So we still continue. So 2 times 3x equals 6x. Then 2 times 1 equals 2. Okay? So now we're going to bring them together to combine like terms. So now have x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x squared plus x plus 6x plus 2. So this one looks a little bit harder and bigger. So now we're going to combine like terms. So we're going to write x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x squared. That will give us 5x squared. Then x plus 6x. That will give us plus 7x. Okay? So then we just bring this one. This is also called a constant. It's called a constant, okay? So now we have this. Notice how we still follow the same rule no matter the size of the polynomial, okay? So I want you guys to now, on your own, you're gonna pause this video on your own. You're gonna pause it and solve this. In parentheses, x plus 4 close parentheses, open parentheses, x plus 5. Okay, take a few seconds to do it on your head or on a paper. Remember every term by every term, then combine like term. So if so now let's actually solve it. So it's gonna be when you multiply, that'll be x squared plus 5x plus 4x plus 20. To combine like terms, that'll be x squared plus 9x plus 20. So comment if you solved it, and if yes, awesome. If not, that's okay. Just practice a few more times and you actually get there. No matter what, don't even care about what people say about it. It doesn't really affect it, okay? So let me summarize this lesson. So here's a summary about this lesson. Multiply every term by every term, combine like terms, and you can do this with any polynomial, big or small. With a little practice, multiplying polynomials will feel like a fun puzzle. Keep practicing and you will get it in no time. Thank you for watching slash learning with me today. See you next time. And the next video, I'll actually in depth in polynomials and the vocabs you need to know when you get a polynomial when you're in middle school.